Do you know email marketing is an important marketing strategy that outperforms all online marketing strategies, including search engine optimization, paid per click, and content marketing? Today, we'll be discussing why it's a best strategy for marketers, and if you think otherwise, drop your comment in the comment section below. Okay? I'm your host, Amade God Knows. Email is the most cost-effective way to promote your products, communicate with your customers, and reach your business goal with more reliable chances of your messages reaching your target audiences compared to other social media platforms. It has proven its effectiveness as the best marketing tool for over 40 years now, and is still topping the league when it comes to marketing performances. In 2017, study from Relevant Group find out that 21% of total revenue in second quarter of the year were due to email marketing, making the top technology-driven revenue in the whole world. In addition, Marketer Email Tracking Study 2017 revealed that return on investment from email is around €30, and that have been improving over the years. Email is a more intimate way to connect with your users. With email, you are meeting customers one-on-one, entering their private space with your offers, unlike social media platforms that is a one-to-many platform and stand between you and your prospect customers. What I'm saying is that apart from user-defined preferences and the spam filter, there is no organogram at work to decide which emails should be seen by the receiver. I must tell you that email is the perfect place to add a personal touch, like addressing your recipients by name, including a personalized subject line, and ensuring that the email you are sending is personalized according to your prospect customers' interests and needs. A study by Experian revealed that personalized emails deliver 6 times higher transaction rates than natural emails, which is why successful marketers never joke with email personalization, as it increases engagement and conversions to their businesses. As a brand, take the advantage of your customer intelligence data to segment your customers for email campaign personalizations. Emails are received and shown in chronological order, and it's up to the recipient to decide to open the email or not, and not a greeting. Therefore, send an email that will be of value and relevant by your subscribers as a means of winning their hearts. However, do not abuse the privilege. The owner of the emails is in control of their email addresses, so seek their approval before sending their emails through email leaks building, which is using a lead magnet technique as a means of getting their emails. What that means is that you create a lead magnet with incentives that is going to entice them to give you their email addresses at will to enable you send them targeted messages. This is because there are regulations governing email addresses collation, which you must adhere to. And when you follow this email marketing strategy, email will become your most important channel for your business promotion and engagement. Now, let's look at the following successful email marketing strategies you can implement. Number 1 is personalization. Personalization in this context is not about sending message to individual subscribers. Rather, is using customers' data to create a tailored message that resonates with specific subscriber. The simplest form of personalization is to address the reader by name. Most email service providers offer this within their functionality, and these titles alone will improve your campaign performances drastically. A great example of company that does this email campaign personalization very well is Amazon. All their emails are personalized. They don't send emails to customers with "Dear valued customer," but "Dear Smith" if your name is Smith. What that means is that they address the customers by his or her name, and instead of using "Dear customer," they say "Dear the customer's name," which makes the email more personal. According to research, personalization can generate $20 in return on investment for every $1 invested in this business strategy. This means that by personalizing your emails, you significantly stand out against the crowd. Strategy number 2 is for you to segment your subscribers. According to email marketers, segmentation is second on the list. This is because when you segment your database, your email campaign becomes much more targeted to your audience. A recent study revealed that all email marketing key performance indicators perform when you segment your email list. Strategy number 3 is for you to optimize your email for mobile responsiveness. In 2022, it was estimated that about 46% of marketing emails were opened on mobile devices. So optimize your campaigns for mobile devices by implementing a responsive email design that will help you optimize the emails regardless of the device used in opening the emails. Strategy number 4 is for you to test different copy, design and button to identify the better resonate with your subscribers. Whether you're texting your homepage, landing pages or email template, texting provides you with data to make practical decisions that improve your marketing performances. Email marketing is not difficult. In email marketing, the subject line plays a crucial role. Therefore, text the subject line to identify which works better for your audience. Surprisingly, 65% of people determine if an email is spam just by glancing at the subject line, which is why it is important for you to text your subject lines. Just like how segmenting your email list improves the effectiveness of your email campaign, so as your email subject line, as it is the first thing the recipient sees. Strategy number 5 is to automate your email campaign when possible. Triggered-based emails are emails that are sent out automatically based on users' behavior. Triggered-based emails can also increase revenue by at least 20% compared to traditional emails. Does this sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. I have texted it and it worked for me. The most common form of trigger emails are welcome series, thank you emails, and transactional emails, such as order confirmation. Strategy number 6 is timing. Another tip is to think about when to send your emails for better engagement. Reason is because people check their emails at different times. Study your subscribers' habits, including time zone, to figure out when to send your emails. A/B testing can help you identify the best time to reach your audience. For example, sending emails on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, especially from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. often yield the best results. In conclusion, email marketing continues to deliver results. However, it evolved. It's no longer as simple as sending the same email to all. It's time to update your email marketing strategy. Now, you need to send targeted messages that are personalized and optimized for multiple devices. You also need to text new elements because trends are changing quickly, and what worked 12 months ago may not be successful right now. Be open to ideas. When you understand what works, find ways to automate it through your triggered emails. Be sure to create great subject lines and send your emails at the right time. If you implement these tactics into your email marketing strategy, your customers will be more responsive, your campaign performance will improve, and your business will grow drastically. In all, don't forget to provide value always, because providing value to your audience is equally essential to an effective email marketing strategy. If you consistently provide value, your customers are more likely to consistently open and read your emails whenever they see it in their inboxes. In fact, they might even start anticipating your message landing in their inbox. Think about what your subscribers want from you and make your email strategy around what they want from you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you are new to this channel, hit that subscription button and join our growing like-minded community. At this point, I want to say thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for more valuable insights. GK Digimas channel loves you all. Thank you. Bye.